Look what I just stumbled onto coming into the CB shop. Jeez, what a fucking nitwit. That's what they're screaming about? Somebody keying up?
What's going on, 568? How's everything, man? What's good? No Ryo 568. I'll be rocking them out. Let me put exactly what I need out here to get my name called right there. 60 bird watts. You like that? 60 bird watts.
I'm rocking it too, but I got it on Watergate. And the little guy chucking the carrier. That little nitwit right there. He clicked it. He got about a 5 up at the CB shop. Nitwit. Well, when he catch YouTube later, he's going to be upset that he's only doing about a 4 up in this receive. Come on, bozo, key up again, nitwit motherfucker. Want to see what happens when I key up? Sound just go dead quiet. Hear relay clicking. And I thought while I was putting the key in the door coming into this joint, I thought somebody said it was me. That's a bitch. I don't do shit like that. I key and talk, baby.